that? Welcome to Basti's Pinching Review! What is this?
Egg.
Show mo. Egg.
Egg. Cheese.
Let's open the egg.
Open the egg.
Wait. Do not touch. Do not touch it. Look. Open. Look.
Yeah.
Basti, this is how you open it. This one. Tie. This one. Wait. Open this one. And say, yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
This is the toy. Here. You get two eggs now. What's inside? Remove. Here. Peel this off. This one. You peel this off. This one. Ready, set. Whoa! Look. Whoa! What's inside? What's that? Oh, show your car. Look, we have a car. Oh, where's the sticker? Move. Get the sticker.
Okay.
I-move muna at gagat natin yung sticker. Come here.
What's this?
What's this?
Egg. Egg.
Is it yummy egg? Wait, open ni Mama. This is a chocolate. Wait, get tayo na spoon.
Chocolate.
Say surprise.
Surprise. Chocolate. Mama.
Wow. Eat mo na yan. Eat. Yan na, sa spoon mo na.
Ano naman nakuha mong mahiwagang bagay dyan?
Yummy? Say okay.
Okay.
Oh, do not touch your
Ano
just
nakuha mong mahiwagang bagay?
okay?
Oh, parang
Smile. Bye! Say mo, please subscribe.